Hello, let me show you how to set up data transfer from Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. First, add a trigger for new leads. This trigger will kick off the scenario every time a new request comes in. Next, log in, pick the page you need, and hit Save and Run to grab some test data. As you can see, we've already got some test data. To make things easier, let's save the retrieved data into variables. Since we have an array of objects, we need to set the path for each variable separately. Let's call the first one Question 1. Plug in the value and add all the variables in the same way. Since they're in order, we just need to swap out the numbers in the path. Let's run it and see what we get. We can see that all our variables were saved. Next, add the Add Single Row node from Google Sheets. Log in, select the drive, the sheet, and the tab. The first page has headers, as we can see here, and we plug in the required data. Run a test and check the sheet. As we can see, all our data has been saved. Finally, hit Deploy. And now every lead you receive will be automatically logged in Google Sheets. Thanks.